Hi, this is Akshita from TPAS Kamri, and today I'm here at our staff Hive, which brings together officers from across the Wales to share, learn and connect. Today we'll be tackling some big topics around tenant engagement, including rent, comms, consultation and much more. I'll be asking officers what tenant engagement means in 2025. Let's see what we find out.
So tenant engagement in 2025, I think for us at Traffic Conwy, it's to make sure that we're meeting people's needs and actually having that human contact. So we're moving back to having like our own emails out on our posters. We don't do leaflets anymore. It's invites to events when we're coming in, really give it that human and personal touch.
Participation for us is co-production.
Yeah, and for myself it's being hybrid, half and half online and half face to face.
Tenancy engagement for me in 2025 is honesty.
So for us at Titarian, we're reimagining tenant voice. So we've got 6 new groups that are going to be starting in the next couple of months. There's been lots of pre-work that's gone on where we've actually spoken to tenants and say, you know, what's important to you and how would you like to get involved. So it's very much tenant-led and we're really excited to get them front and centre really.
I think tenant engagement in 2025 is insights over assumptions.
Tenant engagement for me is being flexible.
Tenant engagement in 2025 is listening.